Hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. If you see my face for the first time, my name is O.G.E the Explorer, and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. So, guys, this is an audio. This is like a voiceover. I was actually recording, and I didn't have an audio, so I decided to do a voiceover just to let you guys know what's going on. So, I'm going to be showing you guys my Airbnb. I've been to a lot of Airbnbs, and this is that like my third Airbnb. I decided to do a house tour for you guys to see exactly what it looks like. Honestly, it's not easy being in the UK to get a house. It's very, very difficult. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and go straight to the tour, okay? This is going out. There's a way this door works. If you want to lock it, you have to take it up to lock it before you lock it. Like when I came here first, after opening, I couldn't lock it back. I had to like call for them to come and rescue me. So this is the exterior of the apartment. So this is like the entrance and exit, or exit and entrance, whichever way you want to come in through. And let me just show you how the building looks like. So this is like, there are three apartments in this area, or in this place. We have three apartments, and ours is like the one in the middle. And we go. This is like a doorbell, actually. So let's go. I don't know what this is for exactly. I really don't know what this is for yet. I'm yet to find out, but we move. Let me lock my door, big. Let's see. I cannot lock it again. I don't finally lock them. So this is like the first entrance once you come into the apartment. This is where we drop our shoes so we don't get inside the house. This is where my shoes are, and the kids' shoes too. And I don't know what this is for. I think this is coming into the house after the small entrance. This is the parlor, the sitting room. Is like a switch. Turn it off, turn it on, and regulate the light. So this is what it looks like. Starting from here. Yeah. So my luggages are still here, my bags are still going to be here for the meantime till I know where to put them. This is the TV section, TV area, and okay, this is like a fireplace and a sitting couch and all that. So it's already scattered my kids and their wahala. So this is like, also, I love this light. It's made with paper. Like when I touch it, I was like, this kind of thing really lasts. Like, let me turn it on. Okay, my kids have gone to touch what they're not supposed to touch. Okay. Okay, now that is it. So this is, I just love the light. It's very fragile, but I don't know. I don't think it's something that will last for a very long time, but very beautiful. So this is what the sitting area looks like. It's very pretty. I don't know if my camera is actually capturing the beauty of this environment. Like I said, as we get into a new apartment, it gets better and better. So, and imagine there's a lot of space. Like the space is very okay, like very okay to me. I'm this kind of person. I don't really like all those big space. That this apartment came with a rear garden behind, like a very small portable garden where the kids can go and play, and I can watch them from the kitchen section. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys. So this is the sitting area, or the dining section rather, and to us by the apartment owners. And that's the heater everywhere. Heater. There's one also there, down there. There's also one there. When we came into this apartment, it's like the heater was turned off. We needed to like call them to come turn it on for us. Like we're freezing, like but it's better now. So this is the kitchen area. This is where, just after the dining area, you have the kitchen area. You come into the kitchen area. It's not next to each other. This is the microwave. This is the oven. This is the oven. This is the microwave. This is just a storage area if you want to keep anything, but I'm not going to keep anything there. So that is it. This is also storage area. There are a lot of storage space here. Like, yeah, that is for as storage area to. Then okay, the fridge. Standing here, do you know when I came into this apartment, I didn't know this was the fridge. Like the way they do their fridge, they don't just keep it like that. They construct something around it and make it look like a cupboard. You won't know that it's a fridge. Like that's something I've noticed in this UK. Like that's how they just package their whole, or will I say all the apartments I've entered? That's how they do. So this is a fridge. This is nothing is inside actually. Nothing is empty. I'm yet to put some things inside. Then this is the freezer section. Actually, I kept my beans inside there. I usually store my beans in my freezer. That's how I keep my beans so that weevils don't go into it or get into it. So that's that for that. Then this is the heater section. That's the heater section. And also this is the kitchen area where I do my cooking. And See ya. Bye. I don't know why they didn't put a switch for this bathroom. Anyhow, nothing spoiled. So this is what the bathroom looks like. Coming into the bathroom. So hello, if you have seen my video and you see that this is very encouraging for you to come to the UK, give a thumbs up. And if you're seeing my video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so that you can see anytime I upload a video. So guys, see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.